Today we are I'm going to show you guys how to use automation for pitch correction on specific words. So say you just sang an awesome performance, but just a couple words slightly go out of tune. You can use automation to just affect just that phrase or just those words and not affect the whole track. So pretty awesome. Without further ado, let's get started. Yeah.
You don't believe a single word that I'm saying.
Alright guys, so here we are in Logic Pro, and today I'm showing you guys how to use pitch correction just on certain words or phrases using automation, okay? So I'm already using it on this main vocal track here, and so like, you know, I have like one or two words that's just slightly go out of tune a little bit. Instead of re-singing it over and over again and destroying your performance, you can just fix those certain words and not trip on trying to get it perfect, you know? Because you can really kill a performance by doing that. So, and believe me, I've done that several times, like a lot. So, anyways, so what we're gonna do first is this is the track I'm working on, and so I've already got it going on here. But let me show you how to set this up real quick. So here is the pitch correction. You're gonna want to make sure you put it at the very last plug-in at your chain. We're gonna click right here. We're gonna go to find it. You go right here. Go to pitch. And pitch correction, click on that. Now bring up your pitch correction, okay? And then you'll see it looks like this. But in another video, I'll show you guys how to set this up and how this works, because it's a whole separate video. And you gotta like have it the right key for your vocals, that kind of stuff, and how strong you want it to be when it does work or when you do automate it in, that kind of stuff, okay? But so it's off right now because I automates it on. So anyways, here's the automation. Hit A on your keyboard, and it always starts off with volume automation, as you can see right here, okay? But we are going to be using perimeter automation, I believe it's called, for the pitch correction. So you're going to click on this volume here for this track, and we're going to go down. Instead of going to this pitch correction here, we are going to go to main, and we're going to go down to insert 6 bypass pitch correction, okay? And there it is, okay? You can see I'm already using it, and yeah. So let me do this real quick. So I'm going to go ahead and let me go ahead and here, check this out. So let's hit play real quick, and so you can hear what it's doing here. So it's that lives that I think goes out of tune a little bit, and I think it happens in two places. Yeah, I think that blind I go really out. So let's work on that one first, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get rid of this automation here. Okay, so here it is. Okay, so we just set up the automation. Now I want to check out this word and see if you can hear it.
Go blind. You don't believe a single word. Go blind.
Okay, hear that blind? I just slightly go out of tune there. You can't really tell in the context of the mix, but I'm like I said, I'm a stickler about this stuff. Okay, so like you saw earlier, I'm going to go ahead and click once, and I'll bring up your line here, and then you're going to click again wherever you want to, where that word is going out. Let's see where that is. Let me do this. That's this word right here. I think it's this, or it's this word, or that. Oh, it's the last one. Okay, cool. So it's just this part, and it's really just this end here, I think. So you're gonna click. You're gonna bring this little dot here. When you first click, just click once, and then you can click again wherever it ends, and then I'm gonna click in the middle here so I can pull down. Whoops, I think that'll work. Okay, pull this over, and yeah, you just pull it down. So what that is, this is the plugin off. This is the plugin on right here, okay? So see where if the header's over here, it's off, and then when it gets to there, it turns it on, okay? So check this out. Let's see, and so let's see. See, fix it just a little bit. Fix it. So again, yeah. So check that. That's pretty cool. And there is a click you'll hear sometimes, so you might have to go fix this, but or try to. You don't want to use it in the middle of a phrase. Try to use it on like. Or like, you know, or not a phrase, on a middle of a word, a connected word. You really want to try to do these things in between your lines here, okay? Not on the wave itself. Then smooth, okay? Alright guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, please smash that like button, subscribe. Please leave some comments. I'd love to hear what you guys think. Also, do you guys use automation? What types of automation do you use? I'm Jeremy Haws. I'll see you guys on the flip side. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. That leaves it wide open. See you guys.
I stayed up so long I thought I would go blind, and I don't believe